In the ever-evolving world of compact content creation tools, there's one product that continues to redefine what's possible in a small form factor. The forthcoming DJI Pocket 4 has rapidly emerged as one of the most anticipated innovations in handheld videography, promising to deliver revolutionary enhancements in both hardware and performance, while the previous models in DJI's Pocket lineup have consistently impressed with their stability, portability, and image quality. This next iteration looks to take a substantial leap forward across virtually every aspect of its design and functionality. This next-generation device is no mere incremental update. It's poised to rewrite the rules for creators who demand pro-level visuals without the hassle of bulky gear. With leaked specifications and industry whispers revealing some jaw-dropping upgrades, the buzz surrounding the Pocket 4 is not without reason. Let's unpack what we can expect from this highly anticipated camera, exploring everything from its rumored new body design and sensor technology to advanced video capabilities, stabilization upgrades, and intelligent tracking features. A reimagined form factor, subtle yet significant changes from the outside. The new design of the upcoming compact gimbal camera may not appear radically different at first glance, but dig a little deeper, and it becomes evident that thoughtful tweaks have been made to improve both comfort and function. Early leaks suggest the device will carry a slightly larger chassis, weighing in at around 190 grams, noticeably heavier than its predecessor. But still very much within ultra-portable territory, the increased size isn't just for show. It's likely to support a more robust internal architecture necessary for housing the expected upgrades, such as a brighter, higher-resolution screen and an enhanced battery system. One of the standout changes here is a larger, fully rotated 2.5-inch touchscreen. Compared to the static and smaller screen on earlier models, this upgrade should transform user interaction, allowing for better framing, easier menu navigation, and a much more intuitive shooting experience. Particularly when capturing content solo, the expected screen resolution, reportedly 480 by 800, with a brightness of 800 nits means creators should be able to monitor footage even under direct sunlight. No more squinting or guessing while framing outdoor scenes. Improved button placements and ergonomic refinements will also ensure that users filming for extended periods enjoy a more comfortable grip and smoother control. A giant leap in image sensor technology if the leaks are to be believed. One of the most transformative upgrades lies within the camera's Cortha image sensor. The next generation model is expected to feature a new 1-inch CMOS sensor, significantly larger than what came before. For those unfamiliar with sensor sizes, this enhancement means better light absorption, which directly correlates to sharper, more vibrant footage. This larger sensor offers considerable improvements in low-light shooting, wider dynamic range, and better color reproduction. It opens up new creative possibilities for content creators who often find themselves filming during challenging lighting conditions, whether it's dimly lit interiors, nighttime cityscapes, or golden hour outdoor scenes. With this kind of sensor, you can expect enhanced clarity and less noise, even when pushing ISO limits. The lens setup is also rumored to adopt a 20mm equivalent focal length with an f2.0 aperture, providing a versatile field of view suitable for everything from tight vlogs to expansive travel landscapes. The combination of this wide lens and the larger sensor will also yield some attractive background separation, allowing subjects to stand out with pleasing natural blur. Pushing the boundaries of frame, rate, and resolution, one of the most thrilling advancements anticipated in this model is the potential inclusion of 4K video recording at an incredible 240 frames per second. That's double the maximum frame rate offered by the previous model in the same resolution tier. For creators obsessed with capturing cinematic slow motion or fluid action scenes, this is a game changer. Imagine being able to slow down high-speed moments, waves crashing, athletes in motion, even simple lifestyle clips with stunning clarity and smoothness, with no need for an external rig or complicated post-production. This high frame rate support will put slow motion magic directly into your pocket. Moreover, combining this with the sensor upgrade means the quality of slow motion footage won't just be about frame rate. It'll also bring improvements in dynamic range, detail, and low light clarity, giving creators unprecedented control and creative freedom. Intelligent focus, smarter, faster, more reliable. One area where compact cameras often fall short is autofocus performance. Many users of previous iterations in this camera series noted issues with slow or inconsistent focus, especially when the subject was in motion or partially obscured. Fortunately, it looks like this will be addressed in a major way. The new model is reportedly equipped with phase detection autofocus PDAF, combined with enhanced eye tracking capabilities. This fusion should result in dramatically faster and more accurate subject tracking, whether you're moving around the frame, shifting angles, or turning your head. The camera should stay locked onto you effortlessly, adding even more precision. The latest version of the brand's intelligent subject tracking system, potentially named something like ActiveTrack 7.0, will further elevate performance. This technology is expected to track fast-moving subjects more reliably and handle brief obstructions without losing its target. The combination of PDAF and advanced algorithms means creators can shoot confidently without worrying about soft or missed focus. Hybrid stabilization. Rock-solid footage in any scenario, of course. What truly sets this camera family apart is the built-in gimbal. Mechanical stabilization has always been a key selling point, ensuring buttery smooth footage in ways smartphones and traditional action cams struggle to match. With the upcoming model, stabilization is expected to get a serious boost. Leaked specifications point to a hybrid stabilization system blending mechanical and electronic techniques. This dual-layer approach should dramatically reduce motion artifacts, whether you're walking through a bustling street, biking on uneven paths, or capturing rapid panning shots. By merging the finesse of gimbal-based physical stabilization with real-time digital corrections, this system aims to deliver cinema-level steadiness. It's the kind of upgrade that will appeal to vloggers, documentarians, and travel filmmakers alike, especially those who often shoot while on the move. Cinematic color and pro-level HDR capabilities. Visual storytelling isn't just about color. The upcoming compact gimbal camera is expected to support 10-bit color depth, enabling far more nuanced gradients and vivid hues. This means subtle tones, like the shift between dusk and twilight, or the glow of city lights against a dark skyline, will be captured with remarkable realism. HDR video recording is another major win, allowing for greater contrast and color accuracy in high dynamic range scenes. Whether you're filming under bright sun or shadow-heavy environments, this feature ensures both highlights and dark areas retain detail. And for those who like to edit their footage with precision, the inclusion of a flat color profile similar to the brand's D-Log MS rumored to be supported. This profile captures a wider color gamut and retains more detail in both shadows and highlights, making it ideal for color grading work. Whether you're a professional editor or a hobbyist aiming for that cinematic finish, this feature offers massive creative flexibility. Processing powerhouse. A new chip under the hood. These new features, from high frame rate 4K video and smart autofocus to HDR previewing and advanced color handling, require serious computational muscle. And it seems the upcoming camera will be ready to deliver. Thanks to a brand new internal processor, this next-gen chip is expected to dramatically improve image rendering speeds, support real-time HDR previews, and ensure responsive performance. When switching settings or reviewing footage, faster processing means smoother UI interactions, quicker boot-up times, and minimal lag when recording high-resolution video. Additionally, enhanced onboard image processing should yield better sharpness, lower noise, and improved detail straight out of the camera. With processing efficiency like this, post-production can become more about enhancing creativity and less about fixing technical flaws. Smarter cooling, longer shooting, solving the heat problem. One issue that often plagues compact cameras is overheating, particularly when recording at high resolutions for long durations. Fortunately, it appears the new model has taken this challenge seriously. Improvements in thermal design, including a more efficient heatsink and better ventilation, could allow creators to shoot for extended periods without the risk of shutdowns or thermal throttling. For content creators filming interviews, events, or long travel vlogs, this upgrade could mean the difference between capturing the perfect moment or missing it altogether. Battery life is also set to get a boost. Although the specific capacity remains unconfirmed, leaked reports indicate a higher milliamp hour rating than the previous generation. Add to that the rumored fast charging support capable of reaching full capacity in about 25 minutes. And you've got a device that's not only more powerful, but also significantly more practical for on-the-go creators. Availability and pricing. What to expect while the official launch date hasn't been formally